Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Initial Solution. In today's video, I will show you how to make slow-mo video using CapCut. So first, you have to go to your CapCut app. Open the CapCut app, select New Project. Select your video and then add it. Now, select the video and click on the speed option. Select curve. From the options, select custom. Click on the edit option. Now you can see there are some points. Drag each of them if you want to. Then you can see there is an option called Make It Smoother. Click on that option and click Better Quality. Now click on the right side. It will take a while. Please wait until the video is done. Once it is done, you can see the effect. Now it's almost done. You can play the video to see the effect. See? It's now smoother and in the slow-mo version. Now it got back to the normal. You can simply export it for your further use. So guys, if you have really enjoyed our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching our video. Bye-bye.